The MATAI system has always been part of our Samoan life, always as Samoans. It's dated back to, we say, like it's 3,000 or even earlier than that. The MATAI system has always been part of our lives. It was even written into the Constitution when we got our independence from the NZ, when they were looking after us. Is that a good thing? But as my team continued to try and communicate with the future generation and to show how important the diaspora roll into these conversations and to always ask the difficult questions. Is the MATAI system useful to today's climate? Is the MATAI system useful to today's climate? I'm gonna personally share a lot of personal story to try and show how this system impacts the everyday life of Samoans in Samoa. It's hard for us to change. If we want to change, we really need to be willing to break the system that makes our day-to-day so that we can see if it's broken or not. And that's what I'm going to do in this episode. It's hard to change, but we're going to ask the difficult question. And we're also going to talk about some of the good stuff they do. We're going to have alternative ways on how to improve as a country. So diaspora, leave your comment, leave your thoughts. We need your experience. The people at home, ai ko langonga ko mangaku, ni ko mafau in ka upuia. Leave your comment. We're here to have this conversation. So yeah, stay tuned. We have a lot more coming, but let's get on with this conversation. O nyei mako skadi. E sau mai information mai malu. Sau au o mai kangaka. Ele ese o ngako kongui fa pe la fu mai le ku pe I. La fu mai I mau I nya ku fu mai la yen makai ku kufa. It doesn't work like that. So Australia just get, if a malo is about to give money away, fa pe la aves ku pe mai kangaka. E sa o le account akangaka. E keep me there. I keep before the mail. E kaule ai foi si kokongi abi kamai. E kaule ai ko kongi abi kamai o makai e kui. Ai o mai la ko kui. Ai aka ko kufa kasi makai le aka mai ma le lei ma la ko mai kufa kasi ma ngale lei foi la ya ka ko le la lo I. But what is in Asamo most audio is you guys have a MATAI system happening there, and we don't have a MATAI system here. That's the only difference. But okay, you guys might come up with a solution. So it's a conversation. I think to picture a different life without MATAI, because that's the hard part. Before I came to do this episode, it is for you. Like, if I lay up Carlo, I won't go to Fabia or the Fabia or Wico. Like, walking off with Fafo. I although fuck why I no for Samoa, Yakailu, Kailu ko Kilokanka, but that's me, eh? Or why, like, okay, my foul policy may for Adwin more on Samoa. I have luck for you if you can't for me yet. Nga we sa ka we fa along yo mako le mo fuingi aya go ma fa fu kala no ko kan wanga mai na. Like, when you talk to us like that, like, we live here, when you come here, you listen to us, the way the way we're taught in Australia, it keep mako kupe. So when we come over and then you tell us that, like, for me kala yo o kung foi va ako mai ni fa no me mako e ire mako longa e yo a fai lo ko fika ma a wala ko fai mai mako kupe. Right? So that's just one way mako forward. Yeah, that's just one. Okay, so that's one little behavior that happens. Another little behavior that happens is this, like, afa poleale stress so ka making e vili mai loya Kako mako mai sa mo foi me wo e te fala vela. Ko ke leo mako like ifafo. Ele lava fa so. Ele lava fa so. Yeah, maybe ko ke isi a inga lava. Yeah, maybe I'm not talking about you guys. But ko ke leo ele lava. In Australia, the islanders are still fighting to make it. So a few of us can make it. Like, or have made it. So, o ko ke no mako, o le a polonga isi me whainga wenga i, o kaumaka foi mea ni. Because ke le mako kongi no whapera i e lawa mako whasoa. Ai kaumaka ma mao wangi o Samoa than Australia. It's way more expensive than in Samoa and Australia. But then you talk about the pay ratio to the expensive or to the cost of living, then yeah, you can have a conversation there, but that's a different topic. Yeah, but ole episode ni, ia ka kalangoe me ia po le asa oa, ia ole fesilia le fia whakon makoti, ia ole mele pe, like, is the MATAI system still useful? Pe ole aia o ngā ale me o makai i le holangan teimi nge, po le fia fesili lea. That's what episode is going to be about today. So yeah, tune in. Any of the diaspora, please. We need your thoughts. Have a conversation. Hit us up. So we are. Take 2 seconds. Leave a comment and we'll go from there. But yeah, is the MATAI system still useful? Well, let's break it down in usefulness. Yeah, if I phone if I mu kause kula phone e kause file mo o kupulanga e whainga ka ia me o makai me special ia me o puringu o le pungu mako e kaule fika ua nengos ko inga langai mo ke leo kala le mawhau face ko inga. But he's very lovely man. He loved me when I was in trouble and I'll never forget you. Bye. You the man. But e whainga ka, I learned a lot from him. Ngo kala mo ko inga whemei ages ago, ke minga lai ke. A whai ngai whaalave a Samoa. Ngare piskamai, ngare no a maua e lengi. Ia, ma se, like pua. O a langa pua da se. Nga avela i kaka. Do you know, this shocked me. I didn't know we used to have cemetery. But for me, or the whangua, what's this? Kanguki. Something like that. I forgot the word. But yeah. Oh, I was shocked when he told me that. But I was more shocked. O me o ke e foi. For me, o whaalave ke mi ala, ko ke mi like it. O ka ungo fie ia. O le ka ungo fie o mea. So, to me, I don't understand eh. O ke le mana mana mapole a me wa alu i maka uka ko whaalave. Ole cost le funeral for my nana, right? My whole family's gonna hate me. Right? To my family, please don't. This conversation is way bigger than me and everyone, please. In 2026, my nana died a few years back. But my nana's funeral cost over 100 and something tala. Whether you believe that or not, it's up to you. Tala. So it's all my cousin. She has like 5, 6, or maybe 7 kids. I'm not sure. Forgive me now. But we all went $30,000 each or something ridiculous like that. But we ended up with something. Not everyone could do it because some of my mom's relative lives in Samoa. So they kind of like let it go. But then my uncle, I love you, love. I'm sorry about this conversation because this breaks everything about your reality. But yeah. My uncle also killed like 30 plus cows. That's crazy, bro. And I love my nana, but that's what her kids want me to do for her. Thank you, uncle and mom and all my aunties. But guys, that's too expensive. But maybe my mom and that, but me your father will love it. It's tied into the system, eh? Maybe we have a different practice that's away from the MATAI, but the way I see it, kusa ale MATAI whakaungu ule whainga whaalave lave. Ia le ka ungu whaalave lave. And please, like, Whaia ko whalavela. But he's gonna get him for whaia. Because it's not cheap. I don't know why if I say this, everyone might get angry with me. If I pay for it, go say, covering, like say cases. Olo whaia over I pull on or go for no whalavela. If it whalavela when Makuai, not if I didn't pick up the telephone. Now I'm not picking up my own family because we'll go fuck you if I love it. But it's because I know it's helpless. There's no hope in it. It's not building anything in the future. I will go I Samoa, go for the macro. Ana fokupe. Even more if you are. Ele fa pera ele rosime ai laku I le fale o simoi o le laku mo wai si me ai pe laku for la uli mo wai ele ai ele fa pe ia ala kala mai so ai no laki o ale ni wa ju fa pe for life ia ke mo if you ai se no mo no pay this coupon ai if you ai ro ila ai ke if ai no nga e ma io expensive, man. If I'm a car, all this is for me personally, all this system, it doesn't produce any money. So, pe yala kini ki for nyali ikene manga. No, I don't want to use this word. Pe mawasi me fa akin wo yung mga. That's it. So, o le mea ala ya uai, I makai, whaingaka lako ku. But they pressure to do that, because someone has to lead us in that way. But they'll, like, o ko kele si aku laro langi. E le ngi lako MATAI system, ala fwe o la lako, langa woku. Ia, I lako kongu as a person. Wo le panga ko whaia, we're used to keep doing the same thing. We're used to this. We are so used to ukimenya veime lemonea ia failos yokari vai shofanga ia omosa ia angalela aveio ia ne mele fai fala vela I say failure like say ave male lunch I say it was for like these things. This is a real complaint that parents or ismaku be kau ma voina le kau sa omai. But I've seen it. I've seen it with my own eyes. Ese foi le whainga ka ngo foi kuai whale alupo. Magaka ngo foi savai. Mongongo. Samus. Samapu. Kiabi. Maapia. Ese. I struggle alanga na ele le kupi. Ai pauare me kukusa umai me. O whaala lave. Ai ila ua ia whanongo. O whaala lave e whai ia pia. E mo ia wo kau relaxed because ki whanongo kui isawai. O lai mamalu wala sa mo isawai. It makes sense. O le capital city o le ia pia. Ia the influence you know pe I mlangonga venga pe kau mimika venga pe kau fia ka ma gangster pia. It's that but that's every city. So say me that's every city. It doesn't matter. But again, back to the facility. Ole ame if I makai, but we can do it our own things like everything to picture a different life without MATAI. Because that's the hard part. It's a different opinion me yo MATAI. I have to come up with a fiction. Maybe, but you guys might come up with a solution. So it's a conversation. We might come up with a solution ourselves. But the MATAI system does a lot in this. So we're going through the good stuff. In these things where it's like when there's loco, like they make it safe for the village to come, but also they have like government personnel to come count the vote. But yeah, then everyone, in the voting day, everyone's the same. My guys, whaiwhi out there all line up the same line. And yeah, no one's different. So that's an interesting thing that happened too. So yeah, but my guys keep the village safe, so they have if something happened like a fight, yeah, and then they fight solid it, and then they try to keep the peace. But again, my guys don't produce their own money. If they produce their own money, like they have business. So now it's not because they're my guy. They have money is because they're a business person, which is a different thing. Because Australia, it works in a business, so it can go funny. But if you want to do something together, we go there, we make deals with everyone, and then it's a signed contract. But then you can say, that also happened here too. But what is in Samoan Australia is you guys have a MATAI system happening there, and we don't have a MATAI system here. That's the only difference. But if I move here, then sitting at home. If I move him out, and here's why. I am to the MATAIs, then to the Malo, then to the paperwork and all that. You can just go straight to the Malo. And that's one way. So feudalism is a system before capitalism came in. But feudalism got broken down because the king cut all the middlemen and went and talked to the peasant that leads all the soldiers. So that's the breakdown. But we are still in the feudalism system. So we have the system that needs to provide information, sprinkle down, and it needs to get through the MATAIs to the MATAIs to get to the locals, and then. But eventually, we can do it without the middleman, because then these middle people can come and make these people better. Okay, yeah, just to whaamana mana mai ka kau de le lako English. Yeah, if I mangalu mai fui langa wa fui kau pang fui for Samoa iski. But ole meio fuck, this is hard to explain. Ole sister Filippo!
This is the cure, bro. Like diaspora, man.
Us going saying like this, man. And us going do it.
Yeah.
Bro, think about it.
Diaspora's going back and
Yeah. But we gotta go together.
It's so kind that every solution is the diaspora.
The solution doesn't want to be the solution, lad.
Solution is the problem, man. Shit, man.
The solution is the problem. That's the funny shit. Because that's true, bro. You lack of action is the problem.
Oh shit.
It's too late in the morning for this, bro. But think about it, bro. Right? Wherever he's getting his money from, anyway. O nyei mako stadi. E sau mai information mai malu. Sau au o mai kangaka. Ele ese o ngako kongui fa pe la fu mai le kupe I. La fu mai I mau I nya kufa mai la yen makai kufa. It doesn't work like that. So Australia just get, if a malo is about to give money away, fa pe la aves kupe malu kangaka. Have sa o le account. Akangaka. E kipi ele mele. A kipi foi mele. E kauri ai foi si kokongi abi kamai. E kauri ai kokongi abi kamai o makai e kui. Ai o mai la ko kui. Ai aka ko kufa kasi makai le aka mai ma le lei ma la kui. Mai kufa kasi ma ngale lei foi la ia ka ko le la lo I. So yeah, I'm very bad, but yeah, that was the best I can do for now. But we're gonna get Lela go karakara moa, Imeya, Langa, yeah, mo, like, Whaiasinga whaingaka. But yeah, whaingaka ia kako to admit that maybe I'm right. But it's hard. I don't care about that. We could if you sao bawa effective. Bawa ia awangi kelengi kupe alu isi me alu sao ne kangwa fai. Oni me whaingaka i langa lengi bank account tanga kangaka. Afa pela malo la uli fa moli. Afa pe sisi improvement for ingali. Make everyone open up an account when they're in high school. After they leave high school, everyone gets an account. Because when you have your own whole responsibility for your whapeo oele ke puli lau kupe. E a maka inge e mana malama for you me kupe. Like, but everyone gets an account. Everyone. Nga le koe whaanganga lola ia makai. E kufa kupe. But we just need it. We can send it straight to the people. Kipe la ia makokonya makai nga ave kufa kupe kipe. But it also, you, the malo, know exactly that the kupe goes straight to each family and each member. Afa pe under 16 kameki. The kupe goes to the registered parent. So afa pe alai, au lesi wila menga. E ko kele single parent sa Samoa. I know. E ko kele single parent. It's not my fault, bro. A lot of single parents. So afa pe alai, e leo together la what the mom can ni poki po the dad for the parent. E le se la kupe. That way, e force I la ko ko ngufo ele fa pe la fa ile singi yem. Ai fa pe fa ile se ko me ki ai ko alu ko fa se a inga wenya se kenye. Por que le ko me kere ma o sa kupe. Na ngai le anga vin be nga le kui fo a fa ile fa nga wa me wenya ka finga ka ia ku la fo mo makai. E o me fa pe nga pa we can e ma fa yanka ko po nga wenya le si a wala. If that makes sense. Yeah, this year one. Yeah, kakoe remind the question. Is the makai still useful? So ole mela le ka short le makai ya. E ma fa yanka ko replace e me ka ko fa ya ku for ku pe. Fa yanka ku fa sa o ka. Like we can do that. All right, fine. So that's one of me, but they keep the country safe. That's two of them. What if the makais, the pulengu, get to be a police for that time, or you run police. If I ya calling you leo like usual, if I ya perfect. I mais leo. Make more leo. Make more leo. That's more private sector. That's more government jobs. Ave manako. And then kasi foi the voice. O le ko kele o isi keminga o intrap nga hila ula vula ve o isa mo keminga o sa fai ko le ma fa no Facebook I makaya mako. Ya o ma fa ngam ka. But I learned eri kemi se fa ko anima ale court ale judge. Se foi fa ko ngani ai afa ma ngalo fe me ma ilo I low pharmacy low the result of your pharmacy ngonga like that when it allows that. So what ula ngo war ko abilisia u I fonga like if the layman ko say sorry to the village ngo lu ave yo la lua fe ma povi lua I think for those cows are heavy. Na ve ko ngo la yen. Then the village went to the court and took the case back. But then before they took it, la way you see new law for me, be ave if I had what they call here. So I was stuck there anyway. But by the time that did help, the judge was like, yeah, you can go home now. But yeah, it's a decision. It's a like kula phone ma law. And sometimes it clash. I we do Africa make. we lo for isi kamiki. Pay alo kamiki. I don't want to say the name just in like sorry. La me fe me lo mo. But kilo kamiki we mana mana mai. So pay o ma ku fo nyale luo. Se la ku fa ko muma. O le minga ngaro kala like se la ku fa ko muma me ye fai. Ai menga ele kasi the voice so again to Lauli and all of my guys, like, can we, if in a car for it, like, Fabio, like, what, you found not guilty from the court, like, you won a court case? Because I like, like, that happens. I remember, we still travel that way, like, it's cool life. If in a car, we like, grow together, like, in a car. But yeah, so again, I don't think we need Makai to fight Ula Fomu. I think police is enough. Like, again, but if leave your thoughts, police means more jobs. Aoya, Makai, to be everyday people. Then I will see Makai more often on the ground. And then he can advise me. Be like, yeah, well, I'm all over on Facebook. Can work if I do like things like this. And then I see Makai. If I leo, because the leo recruitment process, it has a job, it has a longevity, and then we can build the system from there. So that's one. And also another thing too, like some of the people, Makai, I believe they make the best Makai. But yeah. Unless for me, but we're gonna talk anyway. Alright? Ko kile isi Makai. Kaule malama in a new world now. Like, may your AI, how important it is to learn phone. Yeah, kaule malama get a phone. But then there's also danger. The way especially if the mark was like over 50. Yeah, like Lauli and that, like the university motherfuckers, like they go into different world and different countries, so their world has always been that. But go get it, is it or the life with phones. Or is it come if you want I mark with a lower, or I'm let get it from you. But again, everyday life people like or me yeah. Well, let's see if I make you feel kind of more quick. I don't find out that you're fussy, my man. At least we may go on quick. Or you see for you give me if I saw like Makai come it's so harsh, eh? Yeah. It's too much. Like, my salah, my first salah was like 2,000, 1,000. It ended up as almost 10,000. Tala. They're cooking out of Kong. Avele ifunga ko avisi ifunga ko avisi falele, you know, ko la ko avisi falele, like, and they were all like 2,000. Like, that's too much, bro. Like, and that 10,000 was kupena. Kile no po fena anyway, but ang papel halu fa sia o ma ngai. Alko kele ngala ko halu le pio. Olko kele olisi me kakawenga, like kele lo kemina ole stand ole mamandu me yo Makai ida waya ai imero o exam is Makai ele mamandu po some of the Matais are the most drunk people in the village. Matais, please don't. I will go give you my. I'm trying to. Or if you're gonna walk with the Luma, you can find out from the But go get is Makai. There was no standard no more. Go get afape o go pio leo. Fasare in pia de have kula fomo. E kawana na follow la go kula fomo. But some of them Macais like or go get leo comic. I want to have Makai. If I yakala mago kulana. Well, like yeah, Makai mo ke poking now. But we don't say it to them. We walk away and say it. But this happened. It is a pera. Yeah, I'm gonna. It could be me. But yeah, it doesn't create a growing environment. But yeah, so that's another one. Like, any rules, clear, it's a value go. I am over easy Makai, to easy Makai. If I lay for yourself, like, see? But if a Leo doesn't do anything, the Leo is a good replacement for Macais. In my whole heart opinion, in my calculation, in my young stupid head right now. So tell me if I'm wrong. I'm down to hear it. Because if this comes to life, a lot of people can get hurt. But Makai, they're a good replacement for Makai. It saves coupe for the malo, it saves for the coupe go missing this vape. No coupe la coupe. That won't happen. I've replaced the Leo. Just they have a system or may I run coupe and I want to trace. And my yeah, sometimes a Leo is thingy, but whatever, you know what I mean? That's the conversation that happened in the barber shop. It happens. But yeah, I think Leo's a good replacement for my guys. So that's another thing. Yeah. Another big reason, another one. It's just another level of extra work we have to do. Yeah, pretty much extra level. Like why have this? Like why have this when you can do it without it? There's examples everywhere. But yeah, like we need to avoid the human error. It takes personal. Then sometimes people deserve it. I'll live if you look for but then I have to think in myself, it's like, nah, that's not right. That poor guy, it is not gave me fire. You poor that man. Yeah, I have a pair with that, just take him straight to the little. I often make you count the respect for Kamaki, Makai, Yokai, who's making me. Because really, the Makai used to be like, yeah, if you're poco fussy, like, I'm glad I didn't get fussy. But, give me like it. If you're poco, is a Makai. Poki, I don't know what they come. If I see how it, y'all gave me, if I say, I just get up for the going on Facebook. Yep. Kaulelon, Marco, if you first came to give for the police. You was a say, Lola, you could laugh for more than you. What we can make it a vanilla. Yeah, I pull a mark, But yeah, so leave your comment. We're here to have a conversation. So, if I pay so long, so Mike, it's important for us. But yeah, we're gonna leave another part, Makai. So this is Makai part 1. But yeah, tune in for our discussion platform. Diaspora, we really need you, man. Samoa needs you. Fiji and all the Pacific nation needs you guys. This is not a new method. This is a method that's been practiced all over the world. Bring your experience at home. And warning, when you get home, They're gonna hate on you, but that's just the hurdle. It's just part of it.